It's a Pama
Yeah.
Old Fashioned.
I am ready.
I don't have a mixing glass, so we're just going to use a glassy mixing glass kind of thing.
I love the beakers.
Yeah.
We need to get a beaker.
We do need a beaker.
Preferably that hasn't been used for chemical reactions would be great.
Good. Yeah, that's
You gotta specify, because some people out there crazy.
Can't be a Breaking Bad prop. So we'll start off with a small amount of bourbon
Itty bitty.
in our mixing glass.
Very small.
2 ounces.
Teeny tiny. So small. That's too much. It's too much. It's too much.
It's 2 ounces.
It's too much.
Half an ounce to balance out just a little bit of bourbon. Half an ounce of Pama.
Why you got all that bourbon and not enough of the Pama?
What are you talking about? It's a whole half an ounce.
There's nothing. Oh.
A bar spoon of grenadine. A dash of chocolate bitters. Stir it up, stir it.
Then throw it out. Pretty color.
This is a Pama Old Fashioned. You know what this...
No, I don't like it.
It's got the bite of the bourbon, but then it has that other stuff that just kind of make it... Here, baby, I'll let you eat my cherry.
I'm not letting you eat mine.
Wait, what?